Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Now you can air fry, grill, roast, broil, bake, even dehydrate with the amazing Brio. Watch how easy. Just add your meal into the large fry basket, pop it in, and touch and go. Wow, in just minutes, a mountain of wings fried with air, not oil. No more greasy, oily food or messy countertops. The breakthrough, Brio's new aerodynamic system that surrounds food with superheated cyclonic air. Crisping has never been better, faster, and 360 degrees around without flipping. But don't stop there. Air fry whole chickens to golden and juicy perfection. Serve roast beef medium rare or succulent pork loin. Air fry crispy mozzarella stick, frozen sweet potato waffle fries, or tasty coconut shrimp. All with that amazing fried food taste, but without the guilt. The new wave Brio air fryer is the one that you'll love to use every day. So go ahead, air fry, grill, roast, broil. You can also slow cook chipotle pork, crisp tortilla bowls, bake delicious desserts, and even dehydrate your healthy fruit snacks. With the Brio, your meal possibilities are endless.
Just when they thought it couldn't get better than this. Having been named Best Overall Air Fryer by Business Insider 3 years in a row, Yeti Houseware has now taken the best of the best in air fryer technology to create the all-new Yeti Evolution Air Fryer. With enhanced cooking space, a healthy ceramic-coated cooking basket that's PFOA-free, BPA-free, lead-free, and cadmium-free, an expanded LCD touchscreen with built-in smart programs, added functionality, and a sleek 360 stainless steel design, the Yeti Evolution Air Fryer is everything you've been searching for in an air fryer. Unlike other competitors that only offer a standard air fryer, every Yeti Evolution Air Fryer comes with our deluxe total package ceramic-coated accessory kit, including a recipe book and cheat sheets. All the accessories deemed essential to optimizing your air frying experience. Transforming otherwise deep-fried, fat-laden foods into vibrant, healthy cuisine with the crispy, crunchy goodness you crave. With your Yeti Evolution Air Fryer, you'll satisfy the sweet tooth, the salty, and the savory. Now cooking up multiple dishes at once for even less effort and more Isn't it time to evolve your kitchen? Get the best of the best with the Yeti Evolution Air Fryer. Order yours today.